Hello friends, today I'm in Dakar, Senegal, and as you can see, I'm having a very beautiful view of the Atlantic Ocean from the Novotel Hotel. I'm here to attend a high-level meeting that includes members of parliament, basically women members of parliaments in different countries, senior religious leaders, senior traditional leaders, various stakeholders who are focused on addressing harmful practices affecting women and girls in Africa. So I'm here in my capacity because of the role I play in the organization I work for. And this high-level meeting has been organized by UN Women Regional Office in West Africa region, together with the Africa Union. So I really look forward to sharing our experiences and also learning from others. But this beautiful view is so breathtaking. Thank you for watching.